Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little bit longer than I had planned on doing a video, but it's okay. I mean, there's several transactions, but I need to go ahead and get them done. Okay, so this is not right. Apparently I should have went through here and looked at these before I started. Okay, so let's try this again. I don't know if this had any things I noted. Nope. Okay, so, and this looks different, I think, yet again. Groceries, milk is groceries. Super C is groceries. Let's see. Like start from Cricket. Sam's Club was groceries. Some lemonade drinks and nuts to snack on. Okay, so restaurant. Fun money. Okay, there's doctor. Walgreens could technically be considered household. I believe that's the money I took it from. Same way with Dollar General. Okay, my husband's paycheck. No, not mine. Ugh. Okay. Costco was miscellaneous. gas. Target miscellaneous. Sonic drinks, it looks like again. I think that's what the first one was, I'm not sure. And I did beef jerky as fun money. Groceries. Pumpkin spice hot chocolate. Okay, restaurant. Jerry's. Milk. Pets. My husband's fuel. And I really don't know what to consider this. It could just probably go in miscellaneous or put it in birthdays, even though it's like got nothing in it at the moment, because it was a birthday gift for my husband. So we'll just do that. Water should have been paid yesterday. And I paid Suddenlink Monday, I believe. It was 65 and some change, so another $1 doesn't hurt. And I guess we're good for now. I have not given him this personal money yet. I'm not sure if he's going to take it or take half and then say take half the next time he gets paid or not. I don't know. This happened Sunday. So yeah, I feel better now. Everything's categorized and looks good. There's still money left to budget, and like I said, a little bit of income still coming in. Does this do like it does on the phone now? Yeah, left to receive. I really like that. To do what we had, and he should make that because he had over 40 hours last week, and he'll probably have over 40 hours this week. So it's going to be good. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!